Dude, I got a fucking demo from this dude who had 12, last time I came here, it was 12 12s on 36,000 watts. That was loud.
What's up? How you doing?
Good. How low is it getting?
I was playing 17 hertz with him, with one window up, 26 hertz, both windows down, and then one window up, 47 to 49 hertz on the loud and high end side. I'll give you the highest real quick first. That's probably about a 62 on music right there for the high end. I'll give you the lows. Lows is only about a 56. Pulled snot out my nose. Oh, sorry. It's pretty loud though. Yeah. It was, yeah, for sure. Yeah, I made it. It's a 5 to 1 ratio fourth order, so I gave you my peak frequency on the high note.
What's that?
So what?
What's that?
4 18s on around 8,000 watts clamp. So 2 8K Brazilian amps and 1 ohm. After rise of voltage, I clamped 8,000 watts.
Can I hear the high note again?
Yeah. That's my high peak.
Take your breath.
Yes, sir. Then I'll play the lows real quick.
How bad? Take your breath away.
Lows and highs, yes sir. Thanks.
Imagine driving with that on, dude. What the fuck, dude?
It's pretty loud.
No, dude, what is that? What? How many watts is on the subs?
Probably about 7,000 watts.
Dude, bro, dude, I got a fucking demo from this dude who had 12. Last time I came here, it was 12 12s on 36,000 watts. That was loud. Yeah. Dude, that's fucking awesome, bro.
Appreciate it. Yes, sir.
Brace yourself.
Yeah.
I'm not ready for this.
It's a little loud.
Yeah, I don't know. I didn't ask. You said it's almost like...
Alright, so we got...
intense.
Yeah, that was 48, 49 hertz, around a 160, 161.
Wow.
Yep.
That was amazing.
Pretty good. Appreciate it, man.
Check you out on YouTube, man.
Yeah, YouTube, Jacob Viral. Yes, sir. Jacob Viral.
You get on TikTok?
Yep, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. I'm on all of it. All right, man. Take it easy. You're welcome. You have to slam it hard. You have to open back up and slam it hard. Just slam it. Suckers used to base pressure, so it's forward though. So yeah, that's true. Yep.
Yes, be me, ho. Yes, Blood Jar, ho. Yes, Big Sam, ho. Yes, let's go.
Yeah. That was around a 161. Holy shit. That made me sneeze.
You said do it low.
Yeah. The lows? Oh yeah, shut it again, I'll play the lows now.
Yeah.
Not as loud as the highs, but yeah.
It hits harder
Yeah.
though.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hey, thank you, man.
Yes, sir. Yeah. 49, 48, 49 hertz, 161's right there.
Jesus.
Yes, sir. You're fine. Lean forward if you want a little more experience too after. It's not too different as well. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.